Wonder how you can reach Expedia or how you can contact Expedia support by phone? Well, let me guide you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can reach Expedia or how you can contact Expedia customer support by phone. Now the process is actually well and truly quite simple and easy. All you can do is you can head into Expedia here, and if you head and into your browser and if you search in for Expedia support here, you'll be able to get the contact number through which you'll be able to contact them directly. Depending on your reason, you can take out the number and you can contact them. Now in my case here, if I search in for Expedia contact number, you can see your help center. And does Expedia has customer service? Yes, it does have, and you'll be able to get through various links. And if you scroll down below on other unofficial links as well, you'll be able to get Expedia customer service phone number as well. However, if this doesn't help, if I just open this up here, you can see it says we are currently experiencing high call volumes due to Hurricane Idalia. So I won't be able to show you currently here. So the contact service is currently down due to high uses or high volumes of call here, as you can see. Now what you can do is you can scroll down further below and you can contact the virtual agent here. I'll just close this down, but here you can see, if your travel is not within the next 72 hours, please call us at a later time. If your travel is imminent, please use self-serve options to send us an email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So you can either send an email, or if you want, if you're having problem with changing a booking, canceling a booking, getting refund status using airline credit or something else, you can get it from here. Or here you can see there are various options. If you just wanna chat with the bot, if you just want to get help, you can simply tap on do something else and you'll be able to chat with the virtual agent where you'll be able to contact them. So here you can see I've typed in how can I mail Expedia contact service, and it says what type of booking do you need help with. This will help me connect you to the right agent. So what you can do is you can type in your problem here, and once you do so, you'll be able to get the contact, or you'll be able to get the correct contact service that you need. So this way you can reach Expedia from phone. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.